Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Welcome back to another video. Today's video's title is Dell Vostro 3400 audio not working. How to fix it? Is your Dell Vostro 3400 laptop audio not working? No sound from the speakers or headphones? In this video, I will show you how to fix common sound problems on the Dell Vostro 3400 easily. Watch the full video and follow the steps carefully to get your Dell Vostro 3400 sound working again. Firstly, we will go control panel and Windows Update settings. If Windows Update is not complete, complete it. Here you see completed. So this is not issue. Finally, we will go to browser for download driver. We will write Dell Vostro 3400 driver for Windows 10. Here you see, click first link and write here the serial number. Here you see, we will write enter driver download, click check for update. For specific driver, select Windows and select category, audio, critical one. We will download. After downloading, we will double click on the driver. Yes, we will extract the driver. You will create a folder and extract the driver. Extract completed, and we will go to down and double click on the setup. The problem is fixed. If this video helps you, please like, comment, share and subscribe for more useful computer and laptops troubleshooting video. Thank you.